Welcome to WebPress. In this video, we are looking into how to convert images to WebP in WordPress, how to use bulk image optimization to speed up WordPress performance. Technique that I'm going to show you will auto-optimize images, compress images, lazy load images, and auto-convert images to WebP format. Result will be lightning fast and performant website. Right now, I have these images in PNG format. And the size is quite large. So from WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and search for EU Image Optimizer. Install and activate. Go to its settings, choose speed up your site and save storage space. Then choose stick with free mode for now. Click next. Remove metadata and lazy load options are enabled. Check WebP conversion. Click continue. Choose max width height if you need to. Save settings. Now new uploads will be optimized automatically. Click done. It shows optimization score that is currently bad for this website. This plugin has got user-friendly mode or easy mode and then ludicrous mode. Turn on ludicrous mode. Basic options cover metadata removal from images, image resizing, adding missing image dimension, that is image width and height. It lazy loads images, auto scales images, and you can optimize external background images, exclude certain images, keep original images, but serve optimized WebP images to the browser. From below, you can insert rewrite rules. For WebP delivery method, click insert rewrite rules button. You can choose to use JS WebP rewriting or picture WebP rewriting. This option is helpful if you want to use picture tags for images. You can use force WebP to make sure WebP images are served. All in free version. This plugin covers every aspect of image optimization. Click Save Changes button. From local page, choose image optimization level. I will keep it to default. From advanced page, you can schedule image optimization if you have a busy website. You can include, exclude images and entire folders. Sharpen images, control image quality level, control WebP quality level. I'll keep these to default. Resize page covers every aspect of image scaling. Here default values are fine for me. Convert page is for images available in media library and for those who are dealing with PNG and JPEG images. We want WebP images, so you can leave this page. That's it. And you can also bulk optimize images. Optimize existing images with bulk optimizer that plugin provides. It is under media options. Bulk optimizer. Here you can skip already optimized images, you can skip compression and opt for only WebP conversion and choose pause between image conversion if your web hosting is slow. Click scan for unoptimized images. Click optimized images. Reduced by 17.6%, reduced by 19%, reduced by 24%. Finished. Also to optimize individual images, go to media library and click optimize or re-optimize link for desired image. As you can see, we have original image available here and its optimized version, WebP version is available here as well. Let's check the result. Reload, open image, and it is still PNG. So for me, it says WebP rules verified, but self-test failed. WebP response failed. MIME type test. Parja all cache. So if rewriting rules don't work, check this option, JS WebP rewriting, and click Save Changes button. Now let's reload this page. Open this image, and now it is in WebP format. So WebP images are being served now. So check this plugin. But if your cache plugin already optimizes images, you may want to turn off image optimization from cache plugin to avoid conflicts. But before I leave you here, let's upload another image to this post. Upload. Let's select this image. Update. Reload the page. Open the image, and it's in WebP format. We uploaded it in JPEG format. So new images that you upload will be auto-converted into WebP. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.